The Re-Up electric juicer bottle has revolutionized my juicing experience, providing a powerful and convenient way to enjoy fresh juices on the go. This compact and portable juicer bottle has become an essential part of my daily routine, allowing me to effortlessly incorporate nutritious fruits and vegetables into my diet. One of the standout features of the Re-Up electric juicer bottle is its powerful motor. Despite its small size, this juicer packs a punch with a robust motor that effortlessly blends and extracts juice from various ingredients. Whether it's soft fruits like oranges and berries or harder vegetables like carrots and celery, the juicer's sharp stainless steel blades make quick work of them, resulting in a smooth and flavorful juice. The convenience factor of this juicer bottle cannot be overstated. Its sleek and compact design makes it easy to carry in a bag or backpack, perfect for people who are always on the move. The built-in rechargeable battery ensures that I can juice anytime, anywhere, without the need for a power outlet. I particularly appreciate the single-button operation, making it incredibly user-friendly, even for those who are not familiar with juicers. The Re-Up electric juicer bottle is also incredibly easy to clean. The detachable components are dishwasher safe, allowing for hassle-free cleanup. Additionally, the juicer's smart safety feature ensures that the blades won't spin unless the bottle is securely locked, preventing any accidents or spills. Overall, the Re-Up electric juicer bottle offers a powerful and convenient juicing solution for those who lead busy lifestyles. Its compact size, powerful motor, and portability make it an excellent choice for juicing enthusiasts on the go. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient juicer that you can take with you anywhere, the Re-Up electric juicer bottle is definitely worth considering.